Kia ora, welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're on the kitchen bench with the kids making Halloween treats. All you'll need is 1 packet of Mama's dough mix, 1 egg, 1.5 cups of warm water and 65 grams of melted butter. Whisk that all together and add your Mama's Magic Yeast sachet, which you can find in the dough mix bag, and add your dough mix to the bowl. Once it has all combined, you will need to let that rest until it has doubled in size for at least 20 minutes. Once it has doubled in size, flour your bench and you're going to pat out your dough into a log. Cut out your donuts. So we didn't use a donut cutter for this, we just cut out your desired size, and then you're going to roll your little donuts into balls and flatten it out with your hand, and you'll use a drink bottle lid to get your center. You need to heat your oil on medium heat and cook it for at least 2 minutes on each side. Now you can make your icing. This is just super simple icing, so you'll just add 1 cup of icing sugar to 1 to 2 tablespoons of warm water with your food colouring gel. We got our food colouring from Sweet Pea here in Hamilton, such an awesome party store, and they also stock cake supplies, baking supplies, as well as our Mama's dough mix. We also got our sprinkles from there as well, super fun. For this black one, I just melted some white chocolate and we put the eyes on there. So Halloween, I love that. We got this fun, funky green. And we can't forget our orange donut. We hope you have an amazing Halloween with your kids and get decorating this season. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Ka kite.